Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Last Caretaker gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method, what you need to do is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on Power, then select Restart. So this will restart your PC. After that, check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller drivers. For that, go to Windows search for Device Manager. Now expand human interface devices. Here select your controllers, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers, and after that check if controller is working or not. Next is to enable and disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input option and then check if controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input, and after that again check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to check for update of the game. So after launching Steam, go to library section, select your game, and here you can see the play wherever the play button is available. Here you will get the update option. So if any update is there, you simply need to click on update option, and after updating your game to the latest version, now check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So the next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now click on check for updates option here, and it will check if any update is available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to remove and re-add controller driver. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices, and here you will find your controller is added over here. Simply need to click on 3 dot icon, then click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again come back, go to settings, Bluetooth and devices, and here you have to click on add a device, and then click on here and add your controller to the PC, and after adding it, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, then the next is to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it on your browser, or you can also search for DS4 Windows tool. After the website opens, click on download option, and this will take you to the next page. Here you have to select and download the DS4 Windows tool, and after that, after you downloaded it, connect your controller to the PC, and after that launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So by this way, you can easily fix gamepad or controller not working on the Last Caretaker game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.